Welcome. If your Gmail inbox looks a little crowded and you've been wondering how to find only the emails you haven't read yet, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to easily search for unread emails in Gmail using just a few simple steps. By the end, you'll have a cleaner inbox and a clearer mind. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look toward the very top of your screen. You'll see the search bar. That's where the magic happens. Tap the search bar so your keyboard appears. Now, type in exactly this. Is :unread. Make sure it's written just like that, with no spaces. After you've typed it, press search. Gmail will instantly filter your inbox and show you only the unread emails that have been waiting for your attention. It's that simple. No need to scroll endlessly through pages of old messages trying to spot which ones are still bolded. You can now go through your list, open what's important, and mark off anything you've already handled. If you want to return to your regular inbox view, just clear the search bar or hit the back arrow, and everything will go back to normal. This feature works beautifully when you're on the move, especially if you like keeping your inbox tidy or if you get hundreds of new messages every day. It's also a great habit to check your unread emails once in a while to make sure you're not missing anything urgent. A small trick you can try is combining filters with the unread search, for example, searching by unread messages from a specific sender or within a particular label. But even on its own, this quick search command is a total time saver. So next time your inbox feels overwhelming, remember this easy method. Open Gmail, tap the search bar, type is :unread, and hit search. In seconds, you'll see exactly what still needs your attention, and your inbox will feel much more under control.